This is Leadville Silver Mine, or was, probably up there, where the actual mines. It's abandoned now. We can't quite find the abandoned, the crazy colored pools. I forgot what it was called. Were they tailing pools? Wherever they let the water pool and it turns crazy colors, because it's covered in snow. And the road was getting a bit slushy and muddy, and I don't trust going through it in the Toyota Sienna. So you figure it might as well be safer than sorry. So we're gonna head out.
Going.
Okay, so we just drove through Climax, Colorado. Too bad there's no signs that say that, or a million people would probably just be taking pictures with it. If we happen to see a sign somewhere, we're totally gonna take a picture. But we're just going through these snowy passes through Climax, Colorado. So I said again, Climax, Colorado. It was an exhilarating experience. Actually, it only lasted about 5 minutes because that town was super. That town was super small. We were in and out of Climax in like a minute. So that was Climax, Colorado. Short and cold. Hopefully yours aren't short and cold. Okay, we're gonna keep heading toward, I don't know, that way. I think it's called Fairplay Beach, which is another gold panning place, but we might be stopping in Breckenridge or some other place around here.
Okay.
It's an exit.
Look at all of this fog.
Is it recording?
Yes.
Can you actually see it on the camera?
Very faintly, but you can't see anything.
There, watch. Let me hit the high beams. There, fog. Lots of it.
Oh my gosh.
See it?
Yeah.
On the camera?
Yeah. This is ridiculous. This is all the way to Denver.
So we can see, you see that light ahead of us?
That's a big rig.
That's a big rig. And anything in front of it, we can't see anything.
Yeah.
And that's a bridge. Our visibility is about 20 feet. 20 yards? Maybe 20 yards. We are going way below, oh, there's a car there. Way below the speed limit. You're not even a big rig, you're just a van.
Big van.
Hi, man.
This is terrifying. I feel like I'm on an episode of Silent Hill. I'm gonna die.
So we just had the check engine light come on in the van, and underneath we have a little thing you can plug into the spot where the O2, where the I think it's an OBD2 measuring unit or measuring thing goes into. And then we got this app. It's called Torque. Can you press down the button? Focus button. Oh, can you do that again? Hold it down. There we go. It's called Torque, and you can check fault codes, which is this one. And you would just run your fault code. It would check, and it has this one. It says fault code P0430, catalytic system efficiently below threshold. You can web lookup, and what it basically tells us is that the downstream O2 sensor in the catalytic converter, which is your exhaust system, that tells the engine to add a richer fuel mixture or a leaner fuel mixture. So the downstream one is what we need to fix, this downstream O2 sensor. So we'll be doing that later tomorrow. But it's something that I highly recommend getting. something I highly recommend getting, the little unit that plugs in and that app. So this is what I was talking about from Amazon, this thing. Okay. Plugs in right here, and it can monitor pretty much all the systems in your car and let you know when there's an error code. So now, no error code. Now before, it was running lean right here. It would actually stall out when we started, and that's basically the ECU, which is the car's brain, not really understanding that we have a new oxygen sensor, and it wouldn't put enough fuel in and it would stall out, so we'd have to rev up the engine to just start the car. But after running for a while, it recalibrated, and now it starts up fine.